This is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook burnt aubergine with some sharmoula on top of it. For this we need one or maybe two aubergines, and we need a few cloves of garlic and a spoonful of salt, or as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of crushed chili, that's optional if you want it, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and half a lemon to make the lemon juice. And we're going to crush them all in this, and we need about half a cup of oil for frying the aubergines. And so this is how we will start. First, what we'll do, we'll put in all the ingredients in this: salt, paprika powder, crushed chili powder, cumin seed powder, and you're going to crush it like this, okay? And then I'll come back to you once it's ready. You're going to put in the lemon juice. This is half a lemon, so I'm going to put in the juice here. It will help us to grind it. I made the spices into a paste. It's ready now. Now next, what we're going to do is we're going to take these aubergines and cut them into two. Like this. And then we cut them into two like this. Like this. Okay? And the next one also. There's another two. Now we're going to put the oil in the fry pan. Warm the oil, and then we're going to put the aubergines. And leave them there to fry and burn the peels, burn the skin of the aubergines. Okay, now what we need a fork. So I'm going to get a fork and then show you what to do. Keep it on low flame, and from time to time keep moving it like this, so the skin burns and the inside gets cooked like this. And when it changes the color to this one, like this, then it is ready. So at the moment it's not ready yet. So we will continue doing like this on a low flame. I'll reduce the flame a little bit more. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes. Now with the help of the fork, just poke it inside. See, it's almost ready. Getting ready. Alright. Still needs a bit more time until you get the color like this. The color should be like this. So need a little bit more time. Now it's almost ready. We're going to take it out and put it on the plate like this. And we're going to put the other two in there. And on this one, we're going to put the marination or the paste that we made, like this. Okay, and you're going to push it in. Let's see. Okay, put it in like this. Okay, now these two are ready to eat, and the other two are cooking on a low fire. I'm going to show you how to eat this, okay? Right. So, okay, this is how you eat. What you do is smash it inside, right? Mix it nicely with the spoon. Cut it off. Yeah, take off the skin and then eat like this. Very tasty. Mix it inside. Yeah. This is it. Mix it like this and then eat it. Delicious. Very nice. So enjoy it yourself, serve it to your friends and family and your guests, and they will love it. It's very nice. Take care, enjoy yourself, have a nice weekend, and please subscribe to my channel for more. See you again. Bye bye.